Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make some uh, new pulling of Pokemon cards right here, and this is an original and a legit Pokemon cards which I bought it in a we've got some new Pokemon cards, and this is the legit one and original. And also I bought this in our shopping mall here in our country, Philippines, and these are Pokemon trading cards. So this is new, and this is one by one. I have some Scarlet and Violet. I also have the Silver Tempest, and also I have the Paradox Rift from the Scarlet and Violet, and also Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved, and also the Sword and Shield Lost Origin. So, and then also I've got some new Blastoise t-shirt, right? Okay, as you can see right there, this is my Blastoise t-shirt that I bought also in a culture. And also I bought this on the shopping mall, or which also that I bought the Pokemon cards also, and this is from the culture. So this is not a sponsored video from this is not a sponsored video from culture, and okay, this is not a sponsored from culture. I bought this for my own money. Okay, so without further ado, let's gonna start it up pulling new Pokemon cards here in my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna have to. Okay, it's now recording. So let's gonna have to. So each one of these is only 259 pesos. So I'm gonna put the price down there. Okay, and this is a booster pack, right? So this is a booster pack. So I'm gonna have to start opening it up, and then whoa, this is not an unusual cards that I am gonna have to pull this, because it is because the plastic is not okay. And here it goes, guys. There's also a, what is this? Gift promo code, I think. Okay, this is the promo code right here. Ooh, as you can see, yes, look at that, look at that, the promo code right here. So this is the promo code, and actually, guys, this is the original one. So here it, guys, the promo code right there. There's go the promo code that you can see, the promo code that I see from the vloggers, Pokemon vloggers, like Pokerip and Leonhardt, right? So, and we're gonna have some Sudowoodo. Okay, I'm gonna have to one, two, three. Okay, and four. Okay, there it goes. And then, ooh, we've got some Psychic Energy and Apple World, Licky, and also Aluminium, a Sudowoodo, an Electric, a Love Disc, a Gligar, and a Wormhole. So, okay, what is this one? So, okay, and then I think I'm gonna have to. Alright, so here it goes, guys. So here we got some Karamoran. Okay, and also Wormhole. So let's check what is this one, and it's a fighting type. Okay, it's a fighting type, and then it's gonna have to open this up right here, and it's a reverse holo of Rhyhorn. Look at that. Look at that nice one right there with the look at the background of this one, right, the background. Okay, look at that nice one, reverse holo right there. Oh, nice. Okay, we got some new Pokemon cards right here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to separate that one and go. Let's go on to the next. Okay, let's go on to the next, and then I have to open this one, and we've got some another promo code right here. Okay, here it goes, promo code, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. And we've got some Vigo. Oh, didn't expect. Okay, reverse hollow again. Vigoroth. Okay, Vigoroth or Vigoroth. So reverse hollow. Okay, this one right there, reverse hollow, and a reverse hollow of is Lakoth. And then, oh, okay, uh, I think I'm gonna have to that one, and then here it goes. Okay, I forgot to we got some is Lakoth and also the basic energy. Okay, and then we got some combi, we got some Glimmet, Frigibax, Tandemouse, Vespiquen, and an Ice Cube. So let's see what is this one. Okay, okay. And a trainer supporter is Iono, right? Okay, and woo, nice. Okay, I love this. And it's a fighting type again, so let's gonna check it out. And it's a Hariyama. When you look at that, whoa, nice. It's a Hariyama. Whoa, nice. It's a Hariyama. Whoa, look at that. Look at the edge of the. Look at the edge of the card. Look at the edge of that card. Wow, nice one right there. So we've got some another Happy Spool, and also this one right here too, reverse hollow. Okay, you're gonna put that one right there, and then just go. Gonna open this Paradox Rift, right? So the Paradox Rift, and gonna have to open that one right there, and then we got the another, okay, promo code, right? So and then I think 1, 2, 3. So I think this one. Okay, we've got some Phoebus. Okay, reverse hollow, and yes, that's right. Professor Seda's vitality. Wow, we got some the holographic Professor Seda's vitality, right? And also this one right here, and got some Dwebble, Whisper, Dublade, Surskit, Steamy, Counter Catcher, and Absol, and Aremore. So okay, that one right there's also, oh, there's one also Remoraid with a reverse hollow. Okay, special. Okay, we've got some special again. So reverse hollow right there. So have to open this up, and then get some. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to find that. Oh, how how to how to find the exact okay, and then I think no, okay, there's no hollow right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to go right there, and then okay, promo card. Okay, and then we're gonna go to how to, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there it goes, and we've got some BHM. Okay, okay, alright then. Braixen, Sigilif, Esper, Smeargle, Litin, Petilil, Chinchou. Okay, and we've got some reverse hollow of Ferrothorn, right? And then okay, well, that's one right here. So energy and a Ferrothorn reverse hollow, and we've got some whole nano what is one, okay, holographic, semi holographic of Archeops. Okay, and we go to the last one right here. Okay, this is from the Scarlet and Violet, right? So let's go, gonna open this one right here, and then let's go. Okay, here it goes, and we've got some another, okay, right there. This is another card, and then okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we've got some Klefki. So I think, okay, I think Klefki is the, what's this one? I forgot. Klefki is the reverse hollow, and we've got some Houndstone holographic right there. So And also we got some basic energy, Poke Gear 3.0, a Floet, and a Pommy, and also Smolly, a Blissey, Jack, and a Floragato. Oh, Floragato, yes, nice one. And also I got some spew pads. So right, that was our hey, I think Spupa is a reverse. I think Spupa is the reverse holo, so I'm gonna have to separate that one. Okay, I'm gonna have to separate that one. So we got okay. Let's go. Gonna take some recap. We got some Floragato, Jack, Blissey, Small Leaf, Foamy, Floet, Pocky Gear 2.0, Basic Energy, Energy Dark type, right? It is a dark type. Okay, and then grass type energy, and then we got some Chinchou, Petililiten, Smergol, Esper, Sigilif, Breaks Bihian, and got some basic steel energy, Gravel, Whisper, Doublade, Surskitstini, Countercatcher, Absol. Okay, that nice Absol right there. Iono, Ice Cube, Vespiquin, Tandemouse, Frigibox, Glimmet, Combi, and we've got some basic fighting energy. And then also a Whirlpool, Cramorant, Gligar, Lavdisk, Electric, Sudowoodo, Luminion, Licky, Follower, and a Psychic energy right there. So I'm gonna have to separate that. I'm gonna have to separate that energy right over there. And also this is our pulse for today. So here it goes. We got some Spupa reverse holo, okay, holographic houndstone, and then we've got some, I think this is a reverse holo, Klefki, semi holo Archips, reverse holo Ferrothorn, reverse holo Remoraid, and the full, okay, the full holographic, full art holographic Professor Sada's Vitality, Ancient, yes, and also the Phoebus, and then Slackoth reverse holo, Vigoroth reverse holo, and this one the holographic Hariyama, and also the reverse holo of Ryohard. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a good day to all, and also Merry Christmas to each and every one of you right watching in my channel right now. So okay, hey, New Year we will be having some new vlogs in the new year 2024. So watch out for it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vlogs here in my channel, for more contents. Okay, any contents that I'm gonna be doing here in my channel. So okay, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming fresh videos. Okay, so see you again on my next video.